enforcement and constitutional accountability. Attention, all enforcement officers currently stationed at our airports. Take a good look at the cameras. Your faces are clear, your identities are being recorded, and your actions are being documented by the very people you are tasked to serve. Be aware that just following orders has never been a valid legal defense for violating the U.S. Constitution. Every unlawful arrest and every abduction performed against the rights of the people is a mark on your record that will not disappear when the political winds shift. We have seen the internal frustrations, the split bonuses, the 5-year contracts that may never be fulfilled, and the financial promises that are falling short. Is it worth risking your future freedom and your career for a bonus you might have to pay back with interest? History remembers those who stood for the law and those who violated it. The eyes of the public are on you. Hashtag constitutional rights. Hashtag airport security, hashtag accountability, hashtag legal consequences, hashtag know your rights.